Welcome to our second video of this course. In this video, we will talk about the web hosting. There are dozens of web hosting sites that offer domains and web servers along with the database, like GoDaddy and Alligators and other bunch of sites. In this course, we will use a free web hosting site called 000 webhost. 000 webhost. It's a free web hosting website that offers a web hosting with PHP, MySQL, and a cBundle. So let's go ahead and get started with the creation of the account on the 000 web host. So we will go here on the sign up, we will click here on sign up so we can create our account. So here we will enter our subdomain website. It's called let's call it test travel. I think test travel. I agree. I am not a robot. Select all images with the store font. I think. Create my account. Nice. And now it has created our free account on the web host. Waiting for email confirmation. Here we can go to our account on Gmail. So here I did verify my my email, and it took me to it says that the account I have created is now active. So there you have it. We have created our accounts on the web host, and we have the domain traveling.net au.net. Says active, and the action we want to go is go to cBundle. cBundle basically is the page where you can control the whole domain and web server that you have created for free. Here we have the main menu, account details, change account password, upgrade, frequently asked question, and other things. And here we have the email. If you wanna create your own email engine, you can do that. Here we have the database, MySQL database, and the PHP MyAdmin, where we control the database, like creating tables and do all the actions and operation on the database through PHP MyAdmin. And the second thing here is the files, the FTP details. So there you have it. This is the free web hosting account that you have created. And in the next videos, I will be talking about the two main things: the database, MySQL and PHP MyAdmin, and also the files, the FTP details, where we can upload the files to the web server. Hope to see you in the next video, and that's it.